Hello, I'm Simon Hope, and I'd just like to talk about the Stratos XL lathe, which is the same as what I use in my workshop. It's 3 horsepower, very solid construction. It has heavy duty legs and heavy duty castings. It's M33, 2 Moss taper on both ends, and another nice feature is it's got 150mm of travel, which is longer than standard lathes. Other little small details, which is nice. It has a digital readout here for the speed. The box, remote control box, is movable, so you can put wherever you like for changing the speed. It has a mat on top with a magnet underneath, so small things like Allen keys, very handy to put down in the same position. The spindle lock is under here for the chuck removal. And it has a very easy and nice to use belt change system. It's done by lifting this, so very easy to change. You just release the lever here, lift, and you can change into the 3 belt positions that's available. The small one is for low torque, medium work, and for fast speed. Another really nice feature about this lathe is the bed extension. So initially you've got obviously an extra length of 600mm in length of spindle, but the other good feature is once you slide it out the way with the easy swing plate system, it enables you to swing this out the way when you're doing hollow form work. So I've lifted the bed off the back, and it just simply slides on into this position, and then we can turn the head for large diameter turning. You simply unscrew this locking pin, release, undo the pin. There is an indexing system, so it locks here, and locks here in 90 degrees. Pull the lever down, and that's ready to use. Now, if you like to turn really big items, it's also an option to have the bed down onto the leg. This gives 1000mm diameter, and as an optional extra, we have a support leg and a booster post to enable us to turn those items. I will now move this back and demonstrate how to move the short bed extension onto the front of the lathe. So this slides back, clips in. We can move this forward, unclip, and we just lift off. It's very easy. And just clip onto the side. So I'm going to take the tailstock off and then I'll move the rest into position, and then I'll show you how to just move the head around. Remember to take the little pin out, which is in here or the end of the bed when you're moving the banjo. Again, just pull the pin, release the lever, clicks round 90 degrees. It's very easy to slide along, and the main advantage for having it in this position is that you've got equal length each side, and it really helps with the stability of turning large items. So just to recap on some of the dimensions over the bed, we can turn up to 550mm over the bed. With the extension on the bed, it's 600mm, and if you have the lower extension with the optional extra leg support, you can turn up to 1000mm. The lathe also comes with these accessories. You have the spanner, faceplate, dog drive, and a very high quality drive. all in all, it's a fantastic lathe, very high quality to suit all your capabilities.